Hello everybody, today what I have for you today is a 54-inch Hunter 912 mission in bronze. So, I got this fan from the building center for $5, which is a good deal. And, however, there is some issues I ran across today. Yesterday, all speeds were working fine until today. And, when I assemble it, first it went high and then off, off. Then I try to resolve the pull chain issue. I got the medium to somewhat work, but low is just not successful. So I'll just do what I'll have to do for now. So the 1912 mission has a 13.5 degree blade pitch, 13.5, whatever you want to say it. It has a 172 by 20 millimeter motor, which makes it go on par with the stack motor fans. But as much as I needed to deal with this issue right now with the pull chain for the fan, I'll just do a video here. So the 912 mission was originally a Medalist Series, previously sold exclusively at Home Depot at that time. However, there's other finishes that were available in the time period. There's like satin brass or burnished brass. I have not checked. There was also verde, brushed nickel, and textured white. However, only those finishes are harder to come by. There has been 2 brushed nickel ones surfaced, and 3 of them in textured white that surfaced, but not in satin brass or burnished brass or verde. Those haven't surfaced yet. But, however, like it was a big pain to install on the floor because I have to fuss with the pull chain. And so, yeah, we'll go ahead and show you some close-ups. Has cherry blades or walnut here for the teeth on the bottom. Flush mounted. As I'll give you a better look of what it says. It does not say Medalist on any part of the housing. So, yeah, that's why it does not say Medalist Series on motor housing. Either it was a showroom model without the Medalist tag, and only the Home Depot ones have the Medalist tag. So yeah. Now I'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan. We'll start off the light. As you can see, I'm using 2 canal base LED bulbs for this particular fan. So we're going to head start off on low, and I'll show you why it's not working on low. And yeah, the reason being that it's not working on low because of the pull chain problem. I know the capacitor is good, but the pull chain needs to be addressed. So we'll go ahead and start off on medium instead, which spins like low speed. No doubt, no questions asked why, which I said it's a pull chain problem. And you notice that I'm not using my extension cord. The reason being is because, one, I don't know where it went, so that's all. Right, that's about for low, which is basically medium speed on low speed, so here's high. Tuck the chain in, make sure it doesn't fall. And as you may know, it is a good air mover, what it is. But aside from the motor issue, chain issue, I would need to deal with it. It's buzzy, but whatever. Alright, so I'll go ahead and turn it off. And we'll do spin down. And the reason for me to floor test this is because it's missing the mounting bracket, so that's a sad thing that I had to do to run it on the floor. However, for the good news, Jack Williamson is going to give me the installer's choice mounting brackets from his parted out Whispered Wind 2000. So I'll update you on this when I can get the pull chain issue addressed and the new mounting bracket. Well, it's a sad 5-year anniversary for the channel because of this fan having a problem with the pull chain on the fan. The light chain is fine, but it's just the fan pull chain, like I said. So that's pretty sad that I have to deal with that. It was working fine until today. It was working fine on all speeds yesterday on my motor test, but it's not working fine as of now when I just assembled it. Oh, yeah, pretty sad. Okay, so I'll go ahead and reverse it off camera, but I'll show you the reverse chain mechanism before I take the light off camera. After I take the light off. Alright, here's the reverse. I'm going ahead and start it off. Whoa. Just completely not working, obviously, because of the pull chain issue. So, here's medium. Which basically is acting like low speed. I decided not to show the reverse chain off camera since you already would see it in my motor test. Or maybe I could wire it on 102.180 control to see if it helps. But oh well, I decided not to. So here's how I reverse. I don't know what's up with the buzzing noise, but oh well. But you notice that the glass is soldered with lead, and if you look at the black lines on the glass, those are just fake leads to make it look like real ones. This side is a real lead. These are fake leads. Alright, so go ahead and turn it off. Okay, let's see if tucked in. Alright. So for down the line, it is stopping right now. Well, it is trying to spin down. Alright, so that's about it with my 54-inch Hunter 1912 mission, and I'm hoping to try to get the fan speed chain addressed and get the new mounting bracket from Jack's parted out Whisperwind 2000. It's an installer's choice mounting bracket, as you can see. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.